Hey Jackson, what do you think's in this box? I don't have you in it. What do you think's in the box, Jackson? Jackson, what's in this box? Oh, what is that? Whoa. Can you believe that?
It doesn't make a roar.
It doesn't make a roar.
Hi. Hello. Look, Mama. Look, Mom.
What's that?
The lion.
Whoa, do you like him?
You want to pet him. No.
Pet him.
You can pet him. He doesn't make a noise. He doesn't make a noise. Look, Mommy will show you. Mommy will pet him. Oh, he is nice.
Not make a noise.
He doesn't make a noise.
Hi. You want to pet him. You want to pet him. He want to come here, baby dragon.
Okay, bring that Simba over there.
Bring that Simba for the dada. He's stuck on a dinosaur.
Oh, I'll get him. He's stuck. Here, Jackson. He was stuck. Here. You want to... Here, Jackson, take this one.
I thought Simba. Hello. What the Simba?
Oh, look at his big paw, Jack. What do you say to Uncle Sam?
Thank you.
Say, I love you. I love you, Sammy.
No beast. This lion.
No, yeah, no beast from Beauty and the Beast. Just this lion. Do you like this lion?
Yeah.
Say thanks a million.
He's so big.
He's so big.
He was a kid that Simba. He was a camel over and that over. He was a circle me.
Do you want me to put him on next to you?
No, he's too big for me.
Okay. Do you like him?
No, he's too big on that couch.
Should,
No?
should we keep him here?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's too big? He's not too big for me.
Are you happy that you have a big lion now?
He's too big, roar.
He doesn't make a roar.
But the lion, he's yawning in a roar.
He roars in the Lion King. Say thanks, Sammy.
He doesn't make a roar.
Can you blow a kiss to Sammy on the camera?